Let's talk about Swift UI list row separator. List how to hide Swift UI list row separator. How to hide Swift UI list row separator. So Swift UI provide to modifier control the way separator look with its like especially list row separator and list row specially separator. So let's go. We're gonna create on this Swift UI view and we're gonna consider on this example. This is a new files and Swift UI view. This is a separator example. We're gonna create on the Swift UI view and we're gonna create on this list, and this is the for each loop. We're gonna use a for each loop, and this is the 1 comma 9. This is the this 100 item. We're gonna apply on this id requirement of this for each loop. So, dot self, we're gonna create on this item. Suppose this is the item in, and we're gonna create on this text bind on this our item. So this is a item in separator, and we're gonna use of string interpolation. This is our item, assigned on this our item. Okay, we're gonna resume on this applications and run on this application. Okay, we're gonna create on this list. This is a superb design in this list. Item separator 1 by using item 1 separator 0. This is use of separator. We're gonna remove on this separator dot list row separator. Okay, list row separator. We're gonna assign this dot hidden, visible, and automatic. This is a hidden list row separator by using this is separator is hidden. Not apply on this separator. Not apply on this separator. This is the separator is hidden. Okay, and we're gonna use of visible. So this is visible on the separator. This is a visible on the separator, and we're gonna apply on the list row dot list special. Sorry, we're gonna apply the list row background and color dot red color. We're gonna send this red color separator. So this is we're gonna assign on this red color separator. Sorry, list row background, and we can assign the list row background. This is the list row background, and we're gonna apply on this dot list row background separator is section separator style section separator dot. We're gonna say hidden automatic is able to not apply the section separator. This is a list row color separator, which is background separator, and we're gonna use a tint separator. We're gonna assign this list row tint separator, and we're gonna remove this edge. So this is the remove this edge dot. We're gonna assign this. Suppose this is a red color. Okay, we're gonna run on this application. So this is the red color on this separator in this red color. Okay, we're gonna enjoy this separator in this red color. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We can use of list row separator and Swift UI.